Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Slack channels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in your working space, and especially if you are on a big organization or enterprise, you want to have all their channel founded here or that will be listed into your channel list. And basically, you will be needing to search for them. And to do that, you can simply just seek for the channel name, or you can simply go to all the channels. So, for example, you can go to the searching bar, and from there, you can have like an extensive searching way. So simply to search for a channel, you can start like just type this hashtag, and from there it will take you or it would start searching for all the channels or for all the public channel. And basically here we can already find this new channel and we can just delete it and let's just go again to this channel and basically we can just go to channels and from here you will find the list of the channel and from here you can use anyone or choose or get anyone and from there you will be able to start like uh, searching for this channel. uh, Otherwise, you can like have multiple filtered messages or assertion. And here from channel, you can start like choosing a public channel. You can like have all channels from here. You can choose your working space and organization, which we are there. And from there, you can like type anything. You can then search for the channels. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.